Hey guys, welcome back to 60-Second Tuesday and welcome to my little dingy garage here in Britain. Today it's all about USB charger, especially the one I use for many years, the Givi S111. You will want to check this out. USB charger served me for so many years, I think it's time to make a video about it again. When you watched my previous video on connectors, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Here I have my 5mm coax connector going straight in my tank bag. Now enough talking, let's get out there. Because I can't see a thing in here. Like everyone else, I have to charge my devices on the road, and I use this, my trusted Givi S111. It's really good, you know. It got 3 ports, 2.2 amp each, so you can really charge your stuff. And it got a slave through 5mm coax output for other devices. So on this one, for example, I charge my auxiliary battery. You know, the battery pack, if you have to start your motorbike because your battery is flat. Yep, that's what I charge on this one. So it's really handy, it's durable, you know, I've thrown it around, and you can buy them really cheap. They cost new about 50 quid. That 5mm coax cable I put in my bike, I have on every bike, and it comes with all heated jackets and other devices. You know, it's really handy, so you don't have to mess around. You just take that thing, plug it in, and job is a good one. And obviously with a 5mm jack, you also put your compressor on it. What I just did this morning, because Hammond has to go to the MOT or TÜV or technical, whatever you call it in your country, and the tire's flat. Well, I was standing around for 8 months. So get yourself one of them, put in that 5mm cable, what I showed you in the video here. This is it, guys, from 60-Second Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed the very short video. Not much mumble about this thing. It works. Get yourself one. I put a link in the description at the bottom so you know where to find it. That's all from me today. Ride safe and stay safe. Bye.